Hey saxophones, this is the tutorial for 1 octave scale number 4, which is concert D flat, your B flat scale. Alright, let's look at number 4. We've got first a B flat. So we want to look over on our fingering chart and find B flat. Now, B flat is right here, and there are 3 different fingerings listed. I like for you to start with the first fingering listed, okay, which is 1, 2, and the bottom side key. So 1 and 2, and then over here on the side, this one on the bottom, there's 3 keys here, the one that's the lowest, okay, 1, 2 in the side key for B flat. We'll learn some of the other ones later on. So we have B flat, then we have C, which is a note you probably know, middle finger C. Then we go to D. This is where we add our octave key and all 6 fingers. So octave key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and right now we are in this area of the fingering chart. Then we go to E flat. Now this one is probably going to be the most critical note of the scale for you, the one that you're likely to miss. So let's take a look and find E flat. It is actually right next to the D on the fingering chart. Here's our picture that matches the E flat. We've got octave key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the top pinky in the right hand. You can see here, top pinky, right hand, okay, right there. That's going to include all the 6 fingers plus that key for our E flat. Then we go to F at the top of the staff, and we look over to our fingering chart here. That's octave key 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have G. We're simply going to lift a finger for G, octave key 1, 2, 3. Same fingering as low G, but just with the octave key. Then we have A, which is the first ledger line above the staff. Oops, lost our picture of the fingering chart. Okay, so we've got octave key 1, 2 for A, and then when we go to B flat, it's the high B flat is the same fingering as the low B flat, but with the octave key. So we're right here on the fingering chart, octave key 1, 2, and the bottom side key. So as we're going up, changing from D to E flat is easy, and then we go to F. Watch out for the way down when we go from the high, say G, and then we go F, and then when we go to E flat, we've got to add all these fingers here at the same exact time to go to our E flat. So we'll play the scale going forwards and going backwards on number 4. Here we go. 1, 2 in the side key. 1, 2. Okay, then we flip the page over to play the pass-off version, okay, which will move to our scale rhythm. And of course, we're going to slur on the way down. Now, as far as markings, you may want to put a flat in front of the first note for the B flat. Of course, the top note will have the same fingering plus the octave key, so you could put a flat in front of that note. And then, most critically, this E flat. Remember, the flat goes to the left of the note, so you would mark your flat sign right in between the D and the E flat, and then probably here between the F and the E flat on the way down as well. For the arpeggio, you have a B flat on the bottom, and you have a B flat on the top. Remember, we're going to play our arpeggio in half notes. Okay, here we go. Let's play the 1 octave scale version. 1, 2.